Good morning students. This class we are going to learn construction of quadrilateral type 2. Listen, construct a quadrilateral when its 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. So the question, example 5.22, construct a quadrilateral NICE with NI 4.5 cm, IC 4.3 cm, NE 3.5 cm, NC 5.5 cm and IE 5 cm. Also find its area. So the solution is write the given values. Construction. Step 1, draw a rough diagram. Step 2, draw a line segment NI is equal to 4.5 cm. Step 3, with N and IS centers, draw arcs of radii 5.5 cm and 4.3 cm respectively and let them cut at C. Step 4, join NC and IC. Step 5, with N and IS centers, draw arcs of radii 3.5 cm and 5 cm respectively and let them cut at E. Step 6 is join NE, IE and CE. Step 7, NIC is the required quadrilateral. Okay, left side you draw the rough diagram. Then main diagram. Step 2 is you draw the line segment NI. Draw a line segment NI 4.5 cm. So use the scale and draw 4.5 cm line. 0 to 4.5. 4.5 cm line. Label the letters N and I. Write the measure also 4.5 centimeter. Then step 3 is with N and IS centers, draw arc of radii 5.5 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter respectively. Let them cut at C. So draw the arcs using N and I. Using the compass, take 5.5 centimeter. So N as the center, draw an arc of radii 5.5 centimeter. Next you take 4.3 centimeter. 4.3 centimeter. I as the center, draw 4.3 centimeter radii of arc. So the two arcs are intersecting at one point. You take that point name as C. Okay. So step 4 is join NC and IC. Join NC and IC. Write the measures 5.5 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter. Next step number 5, with the N and IS centers, draw arc of radii 5.5 centimeter and step 5, with the N and IS centers, draw arc of radii 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so take 3.5 centimeter measure. 3.5 centimeter. Then N as the center, draw arc and radii 3.5 centimeter. Then 5 centimeter. Next you take 5 centimeter. I as the center, draw 5 centimeter line. Okay, the two arcs does not cut, then you extend the arc line. Okay, again take 3.5 centimeter, extend the line. Now the two arcs are intersecting. So the intersecting point is E. Now I join NE, IE and CE. So this is the NICE quadrilateral. Okay, NICE quadrilateral. Now you find out the area using this quadrilateral. Now you keep the scale below on the line segment IE. Below of the line segment IE, take the sector, move the sector right to left. Move the sector right to left. So keep the sector on the point C. Okay. Now you draw one dotted line using the point C and the line segment IE. So this is the perpendicular line. Okay. Find out this measure using the scale. So measure of this line is I get 2.4 centimeter. Okay, 2.4 centimeter. Here sometimes 2.3 or 2.5 also come. Okay, the correct value 2.4 centimeter. Then find out one more perpendicular line using the IE line and end point. Listen it. Keep the scale above on the line segment IE and the sector left to right you move it. Keep the sector on the point N. Okay. So now you use the dotted lines and draw the perpendicular line. This is another one perpendicular line. You find out the measure of this line. Measure of this line is, see, 3.1 centimeter. I got 3.1 centimeter. Label all the letters and all the measurements. Here these two lines are perpendicular line, so draw this line. Okay, then using this measure find out the area of the quadrilateral. Listen, the calculation of area. Area of the quadrilateral NIC is half into D into H1 plus H2 square units. So half into 5 into, what's the value of H1? H1 is, you take 2.4. 2.4 plus H2 is 3.1. So the addition value is 1 by 2 into 5 into, here we get it 2.4 plus 3.1 is 5.5. So find out the cancellation of 2 and 5. 1, 2 is 2. Here we get the half value, 2.5. So 2.5 into 5.5. What's the product value? Find out the product. We get 13.75 centimeter square. This is the area answer, 13.75 centimeter square.